The Xiaomi 15 Ultra feels like a new level of power and precision. It runs on Blazing Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with a stunning 6.73-inch ultra-bright display that makes everything look alive. With that massive camera setup at the back, you can already tell it means business. Stick around because this phone is built to surprise you in a way you might not expect. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. The first thing that hits you is the display. It's a 6.73-inch AMOLED panel that shines up to 3200 nits of brightness, bright enough to stay clear even under harsh sunlight. The adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz makes scrolling feel easily smooth while saving battery when you are just reading or watching. And those color grips, rich and perfectly tuned by both entertainment and creative work. The phone comes in silver chrome, black and white, and each one looks elegant, especially with that premium curve finish. When it comes to performance, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs wide. With a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and up to 16GB of RAM, multitasking feels effortless and gaming runs flawless without a hint of lag. There's also plenty of room for everything, up to 1TB of storage. You will never worry about space again. Even under heavy load, the Xiaomi cooling system keeps it stable, making it one of the most consistent performances of the year.